Hello friends, we have seen the first row, the second row and the third row so far, and now we will be going into the fourth row where we will make this circle into a square. So now the center part is like a flower, the sunflower, and then the fourth row which we are going to do will make it into a square, a granny square. For this we need some other color. We will take an orange color for this. First we have to cut the previous yarn, the third row yarn, and then we will make a small knot. We are now taking an orange color yarn and then we are going to join it in any of the gaps. Join the slip knot with a chain and then chain 3. Now once you chain 3, loop over yarn over two times. That is, we are going to make a treble crochet here. So 2 times yarn over and then insert the hook into the same gap and make a treble crochet. Insert into 2 loops and then yarn over and insert into 2 loops and then yarn over and insert into 2 loops. Now this is a treble crochet. Now you will do it one more time. Insert the yarn into the gap and make a treble crochet one more time. So this makes it 3 treble crochets in the same gap, and now you chain 2. Once you chain 2, make 3 more treble crochets in the same gap. Now you see we have made 3 treble crochets separated by 2 chains and then 3 more treble crochet. This makes a corner. Now chain 1 and then into the next gap make a set of 3 double crochets. That is 1 double crochet. Into the same gap you are going to make another double crochet, and into the same gap 1 more double crochet. So this is a set of 3 double crochets in this gap. Now chain 1. Now yarn over and make 3 half double crochets in the next gap. So into the next gap after chaining 1, make a double crochet. You will have to make 3 double crochets in this gap. Now once you make 3 double crochets, chain 1 and make 3 treble crochets separated by 2 chains and then 3 treble crochet in the next gap. Now I am making 3 treble crochets in the next gap. 1, 2 and 3. Now these are the 3 treble crochets, and now I chain 2, 1 and 2, and I have to make 3 treble crochets in the same gap. So these treble crochets actually make the corner to the granny square. Now chain 1 and make 3 double crochets in the next gap. So you're going to repeat this pattern. Now I'll just speed up the process. Now this is the last one, and now I am going to slip stitch, chain 1 and then slip stitch in the previous top stitch of the previous treble crochet. So here's the slip stitch and the sunburst granny square is done. Place a knot and we will complete this crochet sunburst granny square. And it has been a pretty long video, and of course this whole series had 4 parts with longer videos. I hope you were able to understand and make a crochet sunburst granny square on your own. Thank you.